Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add custom domain on Gumroad. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Gumroad website. Once you're there, log into your account and you'll be directed straight to your Gumroad dashboard. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Settings tab, usually found on the sidebar or under a drop-down menu near the top of your screen. Click on it, and it will open up various customization options for your Gumroad account. Now, navigate to the Advanced section. This is where you'll find more detailed settings to fine-tune how your store operates. Inside the Advanced menu, look for the Custom Domain option. Here, you'll need to enter the domain you've already purchased from a domain provider like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Google Domains. When you type your new domain into the field, Gumroad will provide instructions for connecting it to their servers, usually by updating your DNS settings. After entering and saving your domain details, Gumroad will take a few moments to verify the connection. Once that's done, test it out by typing your new domain into your browser's address bar. If everything was set up correctly, your domain should redirect directly to your Gumroad storefront. And that's it. So that is how you can add custom domain on Gumroad. So that's all for this video. Thanks.